Welcome to this guide on how to make yourself happy. In just 3 minutes, we'll explore effective strategies and techniques to boost your happiness levels. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey towards greater joy and fulfillment, let's dive right in. Happiness tips. Practice your gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful practice that can help shift your focus from what you lack to what you have. By taking some time each day to reflect on the things in your life that you are thankful for, you can cultivate a sense of appreciation and contentment. This can be as simple as jotting down 3 things you are grateful for each day in a gratitude journal. Engage in activities you enjoy. Doing things that you enjoy can bring you pleasure and a sense of accomplishment. Whether it's painting, playing an instrument, or playing a sport, make time for the activities that bring you joy. Even if you don't have much free time, try to incorporate small doses of activities you enjoy into your daily routine. Connect with others. Humans are social creatures, and social connection is an important factor in happiness. Make time to spend with friends and loved ones, or join a club or group where you can meet new people. Connecting with others can provide a sense of belonging, support, and camaraderie. Take care of your physical health. Your physical health can have a big impact on your mood and overall sense of well-being. Make sure to get enough exercise, eat a healthy diet, and get enough sleep. Even small changes, such as taking a 10-minute walk or swapping a sugary snack for a piece of fruit, can make a big difference in your energy levels and mood. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment without judgment. This can help reduce stress and increase feelings of happiness and contentment. Mindfulness practices can include meditation, deep breathing, or simply taking a few moments to focus on your surroundings and senses. Set achievable goals. Having something to work towards can give you a sense of purpose and accomplishment. Set realistic goals for yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Whether it's learning a new skill or completing a project at work, having a goal in mind can help motivate you and provide a sense of satisfaction. Give back. Helping others can be a great way to boost your mood and give you a sense of purpose. Find a cause you care about and get involved, whether it's volunteering at a local charity or simply doing a good deed for someone in need. Giving back can provide a sense of satisfaction and fulfillment, and can help you feel more connected to your community. Remember, happiness is not a destination, but a journey. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can cultivate a happier mindset and enjoy the journey along the way. May your days be filled with genuine happiness and contentment. Warmest and love from Peace Up on Mind channel.